Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word gleaming. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The sun was shining brightly, causing the water in the lake to appear gleaming and beautiful. Gleaming means shining brightly or reflecting light, giving a polished or radiant appearance. It describes something that is luminous or sparkling. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.